and record. Good, eh? Welcome to today's vlog. I'm off for a bit of breakfast. I'm going to make a vlog about some really decent restaurants to eat in Phu Quoc. But before I do, I want to make a little vlog about how it is riding a scooter on these roads. It's diverse. So, hold tight and join me on this mini adventure. All right, little back street. We'll soon enter this main road right here. We'll see if it's going to be, well, we'll just see how things go, people. All right, I can pull out. Not many people on the road as of yet. It will get busy in about a minute. Lady turning right, brake, brake, brake. There's a car turning right, holding up the traffic. Is he going to turn today? Go on, son. Whoa. This is where things get a little bit daunting when you come to traffic lights and there's no give way to the left or anything. It's just nit one per one. And it is, it's get down on the inside. Oh, and you will say, man, he turned his indicator off. Now you can risk your life overtaking. There's always congestion before you can nip down the inside lane going over the bridge. Truck to the right will pull out. Without a doubt, he will pull out. So this is the long traffic queue where we join the main Phu Quoc road. There is a right filter. I'll hang back because there is bound to be lots of congestion. The bus, oh, he's not going to back out. No, I think the bus just pulled in there. So, riding along on my scooter, man, doing the streets of Vietnam. There will be someone coming up on your inside. You can guarantee it. Let them through. Go on. What they achieve, I really don't know. People will cut this right hand. They will go up on the pavement. No? Go on. And away we go. Now, you just need your eyes, you just need to be right on the ball, people. I always hang back so I can give myself a better field of vision. This is why people, what they see, is they see that gap in front of me, which is my safety zone. People don't see it as my safety zone, no they don't. They see that as a space. And they want to get in it. The red car, you see the red car? This is when you overtake. It is safe to do so. It's very, very rarely safe to overtake. There is a lady doing her death-defying walk across the road on a zebra crossing where nobody will give way. There we go again. He want to meet Jesus. He do. He's after see Buddha. He is. coming in from the left. They do come from every angle. We have red lights at the traffic lights. Yes, I can see them from 300 metres away. They are on 35 seconds. So there's no rush for me to get to that red light. No. We're now on 24 seconds. I will be turning right. There's still no rush. Now here is an interesting crossroads. We have 11 seconds. I like to just cruise up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can we get across? There is a slip road. There is a man pulling out. No eye contact, by the way. They don't like that minibus from the left. Is it gonna? Just don't know. Watch the lady from the right. Is she gonna drive into that lamppost? So this now is the start of the main drag of Phu Quoc. And I come out today, I'm a little bit disappointed. Lady caught in the central, look. Just walk along, no eye contact. Indicators on and not turning. Well, I'm a little bit surprised, guys, that the cloud has got a bit thicker. I thought we were going to have a hot sunny day. That bus is indicating, which means at some point he will pull out. Oh, come on, the sunshine. Whoa. He will pull. He said, I'll slow down. I will, I'll force him to stop. They get so annoying. So annoying. The silver car up there, will he pull out? No, he's staying still, he's being good. The busiest bit of road. This is the most dangerous bit of road on the whole of the island. And it is right outside King Kong to my left, the biggest shopping mall. But here every day, all day, people just pulling out, people just pulling in. It is just a free-for-all, as you can see. And here, on the left, is my my destination, where I want to try the Bonnet. If it's safe behind all, always stay alive, safer. So there's where I'm going, there for a Bonnet, hopefully. And then Phu Quoc.
Hey, morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. Nice to see you.
You good?
Yeah, good. You?
Cool, yeah.
Yeah, why not?
Where are you from, my friend?
From here?
You're from here?
Yeah.
All right.
Paradise.
You just, you speak your good English accent.
Paradise here.
It's what?
You're to paradise here.
It is, mate. You're
Yeah,
right.
it is.
I'm going right here to have the Bonnet, the steak and eggs. Is it any good?
Yeah, we're here.
This one?
Yeah, come.
You do the steak and eggs?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
All right. That's what I'm here for. Okay. Come on. Oh, there you go, guys. I actually made it, and that wasn't too bad. This road can be a lot worse than that. So that is where I just come from. Here is where I am. That is where I'm going to end up. I want to make a vlog on the channel. This Bonnet is meant to be the best. They actually do a really good hamburger, and there's a couple of other little places where I'm just going to be eating today as much as I can. So I hope you like this little vlog. I hope you did. Something a little bit different. I do have a first-person view channel. I do. If I can think what it is. Oh man, you'll see it in my little icons. I used to make vlogs like this all the time, put a load of music on them so you can see what it's like riding the roads. I may regenerate that channel. Right, thanks for watching. Hope you have a really good day. Until next time, au revoir.